Hey there, traders. This is Kurt Frankenberg. Hey, I'm the fellow that you've been listening to on our free webinars over at RadioActiveTrading.com. Now, I know that the blueprint or the home study kit have been on your radar for a while now, but for whatever reason, you just haven't pulled the trigger yet. Well, listen, we've been talking about bulletproofing, right? Well, give me just a few moments to tell you about our special year-end offer. I think you're going to really appreciate it. So, at the heart of radioactive trading is the RPM, or Radioactive Profit Machine. It's a specially designed, specially put together married put play. That is, a stock plus the put option, which guarantees that you can't get hurt too badly if your stock declines. The big problem with the married put, normally, is that the stock has to overcome the price of that put before the whole thing becomes profitable. Well, that's where the income methods come in. You see, by generating income by one or more of 11 different methods, the cost basis for the put is lowered and may eventually be eliminated. What's that leave? It leaves a position with nothing to lose and nowhere to go but up. We call this situation bulletproof. Now here's an example of just what I'm talking about. A married put position with nowhere to go but up. Do you see anything missing in this real graph from one of our clients' stocks? That's right. The break-even line is missing. This married put position is structured so that he can no longer lose. His stock can continue to go up, sure enough, but no matter what happens to the market, even a crash, this radioactive trader can't risk any more of his capital. Not anymore. Well, I've been teaching about bulletproofing for over 10 years. In 2002, I was asked by the followers of my blog if I had written a book, and I said, well, sure, guys. If you're going to buy it, I'll write it. And, well, anyway. That was the beginning of the blueprint. Of course, back then, in 2002, I was only teaching 4 ways to bulletproof stock or to take income out of a married put position without necessarily selling your stock. Now, here at the end of 2012, we have 11 different income methods. But if you're going to believe me about bulletproofing your stock, you're going to need what we've always provided, a bulletproof offer. Let's talk about the blueprint. The $339 for the blueprint, or the $599 for the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit, which includes the blueprint, it's guaranteed to be back in your pocket one way or the other. Now listen, we never discount the price of the Home Study Kit or the blueprint. I just don't think it's fair to sell this product at one price to one fella and another price to another person. But between now and December 31st, we are going to be offering several bonuses and freebies to go along with these products. So if you've been on the fence about picking up the blueprint or this home study kit, now's the time. Here's why. First off, with your purchase of the blueprint, you get 60 days of Power Options, the trading platform that I use to find, evaluate, and manage these kinds of trades. Power Options have been around for over 15 years. They're recognized as the go-to resource for options traders with over 23 different trading strategies, including butterflies, condors, short straddles, you name it. But the founder of the company, Ernie Zerener, trades radioactively in his accounts. After meeting me 5 years ago, Ernie and his team of engineers have retooled the married put portion of the Power Options site, customizing it to the needs of radioactive traders both in the Power Options office and all over the world. I was a customer of Power Options before we teamed up, and I can tell you that there's no better, no more top-notch company in all the world. They're giving away 2 months free with your purchase of the blueprint, and that's an amazing add-on to an already amazing offer. Okay, also, I realize that many of you already have positions in place. You've got stock or you've got a covered call position. The Quick Start Guide will help you smoothly transition from stock ownership or a covered call portfolio into a radioactive trading portfolio. The Quick Start Guide is normally priced at $50, but it's yours free with the blueprint. Also, to help you customize your Power Options platform to your personal temperament, your goals, your needs, the kinds of stocks that you're comfortable trading for and trading with, and the entries that you're looking at, you'll get a free consultation with Mike Chupka, the Chief Education Officer over at Power Options. This is a $195 value, but again, it's yours as part of this crazy offer. Also, we've sold oodles of the Foundations of Radioactive Trading CD at $89. The fourth CD is included as part of the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit, but since there's some information in it that didn't make it into the blueprint, I want you to have it. Okay, so the fourth CD is included as part of this bundle. The total value of the bonuses is $454. That's more than what we're charging for the blueprint itself. And listen, if you return the blueprint, you still get to keep the bonuses for free. Pretty cool. All right, let's talk about the Home Study Kit. With your purchase of the Home Study Kit, you get all of the same bonuses that go along with the blueprint. The 60 Days of Power Options, the Quick Start Guide, Power Options Consultation, but you'll also have access to me to help you with your radioactive trading plan. Now listen, I'm not a broker, so I won't be recommending specific stocks or options for you to trade, but if you need help piecing together your trading plan, that's where I come in. The radioactive trading plan consultation is a $195 value, and you can take advantage of it with your purchase of the Home Study Kit. Also, I shouldn't forget this. If you would like to look over the shoulders of some successful radioactive traders that are doing this strategy in real time with real money, the Fusion subscription is normally $69 a month. Now, if you'd like to just test drive it, you'll get a coupon here with your purchase of the Home Study Kit for $59 off. That means only $10 for your first month of Fusion, and you can use that at any time in your trading career after picking up the Home Study Kit. Alright, so again, the total value of all these bonuses is $619, more than the $599 that we're charging for the Home Study Kit. And again, you get to keep the bonuses even if you return the Home Study Kit. Alright, now I'm going to draw a little analogy here. You know, when you put a married put play together in the first place, there is a tiny amount that you could lose. Of course, the potential of loss is much, much less than if you own the stock or were just doing a covered call. But there's still risk even with the married put. Through the income methods, you may collect enough premium to offset what you could possibly lose, resulting in a position that can go nowhere but up. No possible losses, but there is prospect of a great gain. Well, what's that have to do with you and this guarantee? Well, what about your investment in the blueprint or the Home Study Kit? If you're going to pay out of pocket, you should receive at least the amount of value that you paid, right? I mean, we're confident enough here at Radioactive Trading that you're going to either make that kind of profit from the market or have that kind of savings because of the Radioactive Trading protection plan very, very soon. We're so confident, in fact, that if you don't get it from the market, you'll get it from us. That's right, because the blueprint and the Home Study Kit are 100% guaranteed. You're bulletproof now with this offer. You can win, but you can't lose. If the blueprint is not everything that we say it is for you, then return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Okay. These special offers are good for the rest of this year, and there's not very much of it left now, is there? With the 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, pick up either the blueprint or the Home Study Kit before 11/59/59 on December 31st. Now, I've been asked what's the difference. The blueprint is just the printed material. The Home Study Kit includes the blueprint, but also has the CDs in multimedia format. So if you learn better by way of more than one of your senses, the Home Study Kit is what makes sense. And if you just as soon read the material, the blueprint is what makes sense to you. Okay? So in short, the message here is don't wait. The radioactive trading materials have always been guaranteed, and we've been in business over 10 years. So you have some security there. All right? But now, with the bonuses, and the bonuses that are worth more than the products themselves, and you get to keep them whether you exercise your guarantee or not, well, shoot, it'd just be plain silly to let this opportunity go, wouldn't it? Again, if you've been on the fence, if you've been thinking about picking up the blueprint or the Home Study Kit, now's your time. I encourage you to go ahead, look below this video, make the best investment in yourself that you could possibly make at this time, and pick up either the blueprint or the Home Study Kit. I'm Kurt Frankenberg for Radioactive Trading, and I'll see you on the other side. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and especially Happy Trading.